What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about natural gas, and I got an important update here on this ETF to show you guys what is going on. And if you watched that video last night, this thing exploded, guys, and that's why this thing can go up even more. Now the important updates that I'm going to show you on Boyle, look at this. This is the weekly chart, and we got MACD actually getting a bullish cross. It's going to happen within a week or so. And if that happens, and also if you look at my screen, this bullish falling wedge, we're getting that breakout, slightly breaking out right here from this bullish falling wedge. And we're going to see a massive explosion all the way up to, at least in the short term, and I've been talking about it, guys, that this thing can go up even more. And look at today, not even that much volume on it today. 38, 39 million shares traded, but up almost 12, 13%. That is massive, guys. Now a lot of you guys are asking that I'm suggesting this stock to you, or should you buy it or not. Do your own research. This is what I'm doing exactly, and I'm giving you guys all the levels that you need on Boyle, so you can plan your trades, and however you want to do it, you can look at all the levels, and you can manage your risk. And that does not mean that I'm telling you to buy this ETF, buy natural gas and hold and do whatever you wanted to do. I'm not giving you any advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is how I trade, and most of my trades are winner. And look at this. This thing, when I started making videos, it was close to $5, and now we're trading almost close to $8. So massive upside. And if you got in, yes, you can put a stop. You can ride it all the way up to 32.87, and that is my goal. I'm not going to sell before hitting that level. But there is also risk. This thing can come down. We can go much lower, possibly go down to zero. Anything is possible, right? So risk is there, but I'm only risking, ten, $15,000, and I can afford to risk that amount, because I know if this thing hits 32.87 or goes above that level, I'm going to make a ton of money. So just manage your risk. And I just wanted to give you guys this quick update, because we got MACD actually getting across, or it will get across very soon here on this weekly chart, which is a longer time frame. And you know what that means. Look at this right here, guys. Small one right here. Let me show you. Let me take this RSI off the page. So if we take that off the page, so it happened right here. And look at this, from 75, this thing ran up to 126. That is just one example. If you look at right here, we got this cross, it was at 35, and look at this next run, all the way up to $140. Now I'm not saying, and I said it before, that I want 140 or 100 or 80. My goal is 32.87, and if that is coming tomorrow, I'm going to take profit right here. Maybe I'll leave some runners on Boyle. But look at this thing, guys. Insanity is here, and this thing is running up 12.5%, almost was up 13%, and still running. And who knows, we still got about 3 hours left here in the trading session, so this thing can run even higher. And look at this volume also, guys. Massive volume. And this is the weekly chart, so you're seeing a lot of volume. And now we have strong support on Boyle, $6.24 right here, blue line 5 SMA on this weekly chart. If you go back and look at this daily chart also, guys, a lot of positive things you can see here on Boyle. But yes, like I said before, this Bollinger Band will move to the upside. You're going to see this Bollinger Band expand all the way up to $10, and then we're going to see a big move to the upside. So far, we're actually pushing above this Bollinger Band on this daily chart. So if there is a slight pullback, that is possible, back down to what this big support on the daily chart, now sitting at $6.93, and this is the support on daily chart, 5 SMA right here, guys. So these are some levels that I'm watching, but the bigger level on that weekly chart, it's happening, and we could see a massive run, at least in the short term. $10 on Boyle, that is possible. And if you want to get my setups, my trade ideas, and whatever I do throughout the day in the stock market, also doing 3 days of live trading, check out my Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description.